Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280 watt. Real results. 95% of embedded fur gone 2 times faster. Test it.
You know that moment when you look around your living room and realize the couch, stairs, and every corner look like a dog exploded? You vacuum, and 10 minutes later there's another fresh layer of fur. Your guests pretend not to notice the hair on their black pants, but you see it. Your old vacuum either clogs in 2 minutes or leaves half the hair behind. You end up on your knees with a lint roller like a lunatic before anyone comes over. Meanwhile, the dog just sits there shedding in real time, looking proud of his work. It's exhausting, embarrassing, and honestly makes you dread even looking at the floor.
That constant low-level shame when company's coming and you're racing around trying to make the house look like you don't live with furry tumbleweeds. The frustration when you spend 20 minutes vacuuming only to see the same strands mocking you from the carpet fibers 5 minutes later. The rage when the brush roll is so wrapped you have to get scissors and perform surgery just to finish one room. Your back hurts from bending over furniture with a weak handheld. Your allergies are worse because the dust keeps getting kicked back into the air. And deep down, you know you're losing the war. You love your pets, but living in a permanent layer of their hair is slowly driving you insane, and every other vacuum has lied to your face about fixing it.
Then I got my hands on the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280 watt self-standing cordless vacuum, and everything changed. This isn't just another pretty stick vacuum, it's literally built from the ground up to destroy pet hair and win the daily battle most of us have already surrendered. With a legitimate 280 watt motor, FurGuard's self-cleaning brush roll that eats hair up to 16 inches without tangling, and those genius fur finder headlights that light up every hidden strand like a crime scene, it feels like someone finally listened to pet owners and built exactly what we've been begging for. It's cordless, self-standing, and actually fun to use.
The self-cleaning brush roll is sorcery. I've vacuumed 2 golden retrievers worth of fur and never once touched scissors. The fur finder headlights expose hair you didn't even know existed under couches and beds. The upholstery tool with FurGuard technology ripped 95% of embedded fur off my fabric sofa in one pass. My old vacuum needed 10 angry passes and still lost. One charge gives me up to 50 minutes on low mode, 13 minutes in turbo mode, which is plenty for my whole 2,000 square foot house. It self-stands anywhere so I can pause to move a toy or answer the door without it falling over. A friend with 3 cats told me last week, I actually look forward to vacuuming now. It's weirdly satisfying. Another mom in my group chat said her allergies are finally under control because the HEPA sealed system traps everything instead of spitting it back out. This thing turned cleaning from a chore I avoided into something I grab without thinking.
If you're tired of losing the pet hair war every single day, do yourself a favor and grab the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280 watt right now while it's still in stock at the best price I've seen. One click and you'll never dread vacuuming again. The link is in the description and pinned at the top. Yes, it's my affiliate link, full disclosure. Thousands of us have already made the switch and got our houses and sanity back. Click it. Thank me later when your floors stay clean for more than 5 minutes. You and your pets both deserve this.